So guys, that's the pumpkin spice banana smoothie. Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here to make another smoothie recipe for you guys. So this morning it's pumpkin spice banana smoothie I'm trying out today. Are you guys gonna try it out with me as well? Let me know how this recipe turns out, alright? Just let me know you guys like it. I just throw some flavors together. It's fall season, so well, we're getting in there. We're getting into the fall season, so I got some pumpkin here. What I did, I throw them inside of the freezer to get it frozen. I mean, you don't have to freeze it, but that's what I did, and I also get the banana inside of the freezer as well. So we're gonna throw it in the blender with some spices and make our pumpkin spice smoothie. All right, so let's jump right in and get it going. Yep, so right here, this is the banana that I cut up, throw them inside the freezer. So that's two bananas I got right there. And I got a quarter cup of cane sugar right here. I got quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg I grated, and quarter teaspoon of mixed spice, quarter teaspoon of grounded ginger. That's what I'm using. And this is the pumpkin. I put it into one of these old ice tray I got right here. Throw it in the freezer. It's nice and frozen right now. So that's what we're gonna use inside of our blender. And I also got a cup of 2% milk here. You can use almond milk, whatever milk you of your choice. So I'm just gonna dump this right inside here in my blender, and then gonna get my banana inside, get the pumpkin spice going, and then we're gonna throw these in there as well. So if you want it nice and icy, cold, slushy, this is the best way to do it. Alright, so yeah, I got two. Yep. I got 8. I'm gonna put 9 pieces of the pumpkin, cubes of the pumpkin inside. And then I'm gonna add my sugar right now in there. That's the cane sugar right there. And you can use honey. You don't have to use the cane sugar. Honey is fine. So dump the spices in there. Get that on there. We're just gonna blend this out, start on low, then we'll go up. Beautiful. All right, so we're just gonna pour it right into the glass right now. That's what I'm talking about right there. Nice and rich pumpkin spice banana smoothie. Wow, look at the richness in that. Beautiful. That's what we're talking about. And the spices in there, it's beautiful. Just gonna try it out. Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Guys, this is beautiful. I didn't know it would turn out this well. I'm loving it. Mm. Wow. That's good. You can taste the spices. Mm. This is a good one. This is a hit right here. You guys got to try this out. All right. So the pumpkin that I use in here, that's half a cup of pumpkin. It can give you about 2 to 3 servings. Should be good. And just use the pumpkin puree. I mean, you don't have to freeze it. I freeze it. I want it nice and cold, so that's why I did that. I want it to be slushy, so that's why I did that. I freeze the banana as well, but you really don't have to. But it's beautiful. It turned out really good. Mm. Mm-mm. I'm loving it, guys. This is great in the morning, whether you want it in the midday. It's can go out anytime. All right. This is a great one to try out. If you guys like it. All right. So guys, that's the pumpkin spice banana smoothie. I hope you guys like it. If you're new watching this channel right now, don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like and share the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.